Welcome to myBooks product demo tutorial. In this video, you are going to learn how to create a purchase order on myBooks accounting software. Go to Transactions, select Purchase Order. In All Purchase Order List page, click on Create Purchase Order. Create or select the contact from the listed contacts. Enter the place of supply, shipping address. Select the reverse charges if applicable. Select the date and due date from the drop-down. Also, you can enter the payment term, transport info, reference, etc. Create or select the item from the created item list. Enter the details such as quantity, rate, discount, tax, etc., etc. Enter the notes and terms of your company. Then click on Save. You can edit, print, convert purchase order to bill, download or delete from the list screen itself. Click the Anywhere in the row to see the preview of your purchase order. You can send direct mail to your vendor from the preview screen. That's it. You created your purchase order on myBooks. Thanks for watching.